Are you tired of running out of money before the end of the month, or wondering where all your hard-earned cash disappeared to? Imagine a life where your money works for you, instead of you working for it. Stick with me for the next 5 minutes, and I'll show you how to take charge of your finances, crush your debts, and build a future you'll thank yourself for. Let's get started. First things first, budgeting. No, it's not boring, it's empowering. Start by tracking your expenses for 1 month. Use a budgeting app like YNAB or Mint, or keep it old school with a notebook. The goal is to know exactly how much money is coming in and where it's going. Once you have that clarity, assign every dollar a job. That's how you make your money work for you. Next up, your safety net. Life happens. Medical emergencies, car repairs, unexpected expenses. An emergency fund can save you from financial stress. Start small, aim for $500 or 1 month's worth of costs, and gradually grow it to cover 3 to 6 months. Treat this fund like a financial first aid kit. Don't dip into it for anything else. Debt can feel like a never-ending weight. But here's the secret. Tackle it strategically. Use the snowball method to pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum. Or the avalanche method. Target the debt with the highest interest. Choose what works for you, but stay consistent. Every small step brings you closer to financial freedom. Finally, let's talk about growing your wealth. Start investing as early as possible. Even small amounts can compound into significant wealth over time. Look into low-cost index funds, ETFs, or mutual funds. If you're unsure where to start, seek advice from a certified financial planner. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So there you have it. Purchase, trade, or budget. Save, manage debt, and invest. These 4 steps can transform your financial life. The best time to start? Right now. Hit that subscribe button and like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends who need a financial boost. Comment below, what's your biggest financial goal? Let's achieve it together. See you in the next video.